it's me, Poppy.
And me, Sawyer.
And we're the Mess Makers! Today, are you going to help me?
No.
No. Alright. Well, today I'm going to be making crispy oats s'mores bar. We have 4 cups of Millville crispy oats. I have 4 cups here, and I'm going to put in this bowl. Let me do the brown sugar. Okay, so we have a half cup of brown sugar. 2.5 cups of old-fashioned oats. Here's our oats. We're going to get 2.5 cups. Okay, 1 cup. Back for marshmallows. 2 cups, and was it 2.5? Yeah, 2.5. So half cup. You love those marshmallows, don't you? Okay, there's that. A half cup of all-purpose flour. Here's our flour. We're gonna get a half cup. Well, let's see, half cup. There's a half cup. Half cup. 2 cups of miniature marshmallows. 2 cups? Yeah, 2 cups. Oh my gosh. Two cups. 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate morsels or chocolate chips. This is 1 cup, so we're going to fill this one up. One cup. A half cup of vegetable oil. Half cup. Oh, that's too much. Okay, there, half cup. And 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk. So we have, this can is 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk. So we're going to put this in. That's cool. I like how this comes out. So now I'm going to mix all this up. See if I can mix it. Okay, I'm gonna come back when I'm done mixing this. So we had to transfer it to a bigger bowl because the other one was way too small for this. Please be careful. I preheated the oven to 375 degrees, but make sure you check before you preheat the oven inside the oven. Alright, so now, I stirred it all up. That's what it should look like. Now I'm going to spray the bottom of this 9 to 13 inch baking pan. I'm going to spray the bottom of it. Okay. With Canoyo non-stick cooking spray. All right, now we're going to pour in there. Yeah, we're going to pour this in. I'm going to pour this in. All right, let's get this. I don't know how to do this. I'm not strong enough. Okay, wait. There we go. That looks so weird. It does. Let's hope this fits, unlike the bowl earlier. Oh, that bowl really did not work. Let's hope this actually fits in. I think it will. Alright. Okay, now we're gonna spread it. Alright, it's in the pan, and now we're gonna go to the oven. Oh, this is heavy. This is really, really heavy. Okay. So it's at 375 degrees. We're gonna cook it for 20 to, watch out. I'm gonna cook it for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, how am I gonna put this in? Okay, let's. Ooh, okay, that's hot. All right, 20 to 25 minutes. Hot. Alexa, set a timer for 20 minutes. 20 minutes later. All right, our granola bars, s'mores granola bars, are done baking. I'm gonna have an adult take it out. Here's our granola bars out of the oven. So before you cut it, you want to let it cool for 40 minutes. You can either leave it out or put it in the refrigerator. So we're gonna leave it out for 40 minutes. All right, it's been 40 minutes, and here's our final product. There's just a piece of it. It looks really good. But before you go, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. See you soon. Bye!